to purchase it right now. Number 3 is Sawgrass UHD SG1000 Sublimation Printer. When it comes to sublimation printing, the Sawgrass SG1000 dye sublimation printer is an absolute game changer. Packed with vibrant colors and cutting-edge technology, it's the perfect choice for anyone seeking the best sublimation printer under $2,000. With its sleek design and user-friendly interface, this printer is a joy. From the moment you set it up, you'll be amazed by its speed and precision. Say goodbye to dull prints and hello to professional quality results that will leave you breathless. The Sawgrass Easy Subli Starter ink set is a stroke of genius. With 20 milliliters of ink per color, you can bring your designs to life with stunning clarity. The PROSUB High Color Transfer Paper takes it further, ensuring that every image you print is vibrant and vivid. To top it all off, the Sawgrass SG1000 comes with the user-friendly CreativeStudio Online Designer Software, making the design process a breeze. Plus, with a 2-year manufacturer warranty and lifetime support, you can rest easy knowing your investment is protected. So if you like this sublimation printer, then check out the link provided in the description to purchase it right now.